So when it comes time to buy insurance, opting for the absolute cheapest, bare minimum legal requirement, a third-party only policy, feels like a completely logical way to save cash. But here is what that actually means. If you cause an accident, third-party liability pays for the damage you do to the other person's car or property. It satisfies the law. However, if your own new car is crumpled in that same wreck, your policy pays you exactly 0 rupees. To protect your own investment, you need a comprehensive or package policy. This handles the legal third-party requirements while also covering your vehicle against accidents, theft, fire, and natural disasters, which is vital considering Assam's heavy monsoon floods. This table shows how your maximum payout is calculated. It is called the Insured's Declared Value, or IDV. The insurance company takes the manufacturer's listed price and subtracts a fixed depreciation percentage based on the car's age, ranging from a 5% deduction for a new car up to 50% for a 5-year-old vehicle. Choosing the bare minimum coverage saves you a few thousand rupees up front, but it leaves you entirely exposed to absorbing the full cost of replacing a totaled vehicle out of your own pocket. Even with a comprehensive policy, hidden out-of-pocket expenses exist. If you get into a fender bender, standard comprehensive insurance doesn't cover the full cost of every replacement part. As outlined in this policy document, you are only reimbursed 50% for parts made of rubber, nylon, plastic, and components like batteries. You can close this gap with the Depreciation Reimbursement add-on, commonly known as Zero-Dep. By paying a slightly higher premium, the insurance company waives those standard deductions and pays the full replacement value for approved parts. Then there are severe environmental risks. Driving through a flooded street during a heavy rainstorm can force water directly into your engine. Standard policies usually exclude engine damage caused by this kind of water ingression. But looking further down the add-on list, the Engine Guard extension specifically covers the repair and replacement of the internal child parts of your engine and gearbox if they are ruined by water or leaking oil. A baseline comprehensive policy secures the main structure of your car against major impacts, but carefully selected add-ons shield you from the massive repair bills tied to vulnerable mechanical components. For worst-case scenarios, like your car being stolen or completely totaled, the return-to-invoice add-on becomes crucial. Instead of paying out the depreciated IDV, this policy extension covers the financial gap to match the original purchase price of the car, including initial registration charges and road tax. On the brighter side, if you drive safely and don't make any claims for a year, insurers reward you with a no-claim bonus. This discount accumulates over time, potentially cutting your renewal premium up to 50%. Normally, a single claim wipes out that entire accumulated discount. However, this section shows the protection of NCB add-on. It allows you to make one own damage claim during the policy period without losing your discount, provided you get the vehicle repaired at a company-authorized garage. When you're stranded, basic roadside assistance provides immediate, practical help. As shown here, this service covers towing your vehicle to a repair shop, swapping out a flat tire, or jump-starting a dead battery. But all of this protection has strict limits. Driving without a valid license, under the influence of alcohol, or claiming normal wear and tear, your policy is voided and the insurer will not pay. A robust insurance strategy pairs comprehensive financial add-ons with your personal responsibility to maintain the vehicle and follow traffic laws. When an accident actually happens, your immediate actions dictate how smoothly the recovery goes. Take photos of the damage right away, notify your insurance company immediately, and never authorize any repairs before the insurer approves them. If you take the vehicle to one of your insurer's authorized network garages, you can utilize the cashless claim process. The insurance company settles the repair bill directly with the shop, leaving you to pay only your mandatory deductible and any non-covered depreciation. By contrast, if you choose an unauthorized independent mechanic, you are routed through the reimbursement process. You have to pay the entire repair bill upfront out of your own savings, submit the receipts to the insurance company, and wait to be paid back. To get that claim approved smoothly, keep your paperwork ready. You will need your policy document, the car's registration certificate, your driving license, and if the claim involves a theft or a third-party injury, an official police FIR. Set your IDV accurately based on current market values, and tailor your add-ons to your actual life. If you live in a flood zone, get the Engine Guard. If you commute long distances, secure roadside assistance. Car insurance is a legal requirement, but treating it as a simple tax leaves you vulnerable. When tailored correctly, it acts as a financial shield, protecting your savings and helping you get back on the road without absorbing a devastating loss.